Samuel, tell me, why is your teacher is calling me?
Public toilet.
Yeah. What's up?
Hold on, please do well by liking this video so that YouTube will show it to more people, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
Hello?
Thank you. Now let's continue.
What? No, it's fine. I'll fix it. Eric, what have you done?
Jesus! Jesus!
Hey, Eric, I need you to.
Oh, that's odd.
Yes, I'm studying.
You are studying
Yes.
during school holidays. It's good. It's fine. I'll do it myself. Keep it up.
Hey, Brian. We are on. We are going to the party. Yes. Call all the girls. Yes, I got you. Stand up. You must go to the shop. Listen, dude, I'm coming right now. Yes, my mom is not home. Yeah, she went to the church. Yes, I'm coming. No. Don't start the party without me. Eric.
Jesus!
They must not start the
Jesus.
party without me. They must not. I got you. In.